welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be focusing on the half double crochet. I already have some stitches worked here, so we can go ahead and jump right in. So for today's stitch, you will use the same holes in the stitches to use underneath those V stitches like we talked about in the single crochet tutorial. For the half double crochet, you're going to yarn over like you do for a double crochet and bring that yarn with you as you go into the next stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll see, similar to the double crochet, you have 3 loops on your hook, but now when you yarn over, you're going to pull through all 3. Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, there's 3 on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, through all 3. So you'll do a half double crochet whenever it's called for in your pattern. It will be usually represented by HDC for half double crochet. So anytime you see that, this is the stitch you are going to do. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to put a comment down below. And I hope this is helpful. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.